Cooking apa?
You know, Chinese, there's an old saying, if you are using a very good ingredient, you don't really have to do much with it. You just cook and it will come out very well. This is exactly what I'm going to do today. This is half of a free-range chicken here. Beautiful. The meat actually has a very nice texture, and it has very nice chicken flavor, because usually free-range chicken is rare at least 80 days and above. So I cut it into chunks here. I'm going to steam it, just steam it, nothing else I'm going to do, yeah? So first of all, let's give it some fine salt. Then some nice bentong ginger. Some Shaoxing wine. Don't worry about the alcohol in a Shaoxing wine, because after cook, all the alcohol will be evaporated, yeah? And I always like to give it a bit of chicken stock. So I'm adding some filtered water here. So later, this filtered water will become extra chicken stock. Right, then we can send this to the steamer. Right, preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius. Then we carefully put in the chicken. And steam it for about 13 to 15 minutes. I saw one video recently. This restaurant, they actually debone the meat and they only steam it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Wow. Maybe one day I should try it. I'm not so good at deboning, but I don't know. If I cut it smaller pieces, maybe steam it lesser, because the longer you steam, the harder it's going to be. All right, this is after about 15 minutes. Yeah, let's open it. Wow. Wow, super fragrant. The ginger smell, the chicken smell. Ooh, so much chicken stock. You see this? So beautiful. So I'm going to take out very carefully because of the chicken stock. Right, so here's our steamed chicken, and then just now I soaked some goji berries. We will garnish it on top. Right, done. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button, and follow my Instagram. Thank you very much. Bye bye.